Alright, so explain what this is.
Well, we're just filling a garbage bag full of oxygen and acetylene that has been mixed properly to steel.
So, what's the nickname for this makeshift fireworks?
This is the air explosion, the gas explosion.
So, can the people in the bottom of the mountain hear this or see the flash?
The flash and the bang should be visible for quite some ways.
Do you think people in Bozeman can see this?
Definitely, it's like artificial lightning.
You think it'd be wise to be in the Bronco or in the building?
I think I'll be, I might touch it off from the Bronco battery.
No, you think me being in the Bronco would be safe, right?
Yeah, I'd be behind it. It's going to be quite a pop.
How about being in it, in the Bronco?
I don't know, you're probably safer outside.
Okay. So he's using pretty much oxygen tank and what is this?
Cutting torches.
Hell yeah. So he's pumping in oxygen?
A little extra hit of oxygen to make sure it's lean. Don't feel my face.
No, it's just your hands. So if someone was to pop it right now, would it make a little boom boom?
No, if you just stabbed it with gas out, it would just stink a little bit of acetylene. So you do need to be very careful doing this with static electricity, any sort of spark to ignite the thing. It's starting to get to be a pretty good sized bang there.
So I do have her on the tie or on the leash because she can get out
Under the door, yeah.
and so she's gonna be with me safely. But yeah. So what's gonna make the flash?
The gas burning rapidly.
So, question. You're putting a... Okay, cool. So, what are you doing now to tie this off?
I'm tying it up with electrical tape. Hopefully. Get away, dog.
So, this is a homemade fireworks. Just a friendly reminder. Do not try anything that you see that is broadcasted on this channel. This channel is not responsible for your fatalities or injuries that occurred on your behalf. That means do not reenact what we're about to do. This is not for the untrained. We got the dogs. This is gonna be dangerous, folks. So, way out there in the distance. Whoopsies. Let me turn off the light. Way out there, those glimmering lights is Bozeman. Alright. So, huh? Turn it off?
Shine it on there. Trying to make a connection.
Alright, should I step back a bit or? Guys, not the right time to be playing around. Alright. So how long is the cord? You want to shut off the generator? Alright.
Hold these. Just hold those right there.
Okay. That's Bozeman way the fuck out there.
There's your gas. Open up the mixture, right? Okay, hand me those.
Okay.
You ready?
Hold on. Alright.
Let's see what happens. Hey, come here.
Want me to grab her? Come here.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1.
Woo. Damn.
Eh?
The flash was pretty good.